Namaste and a very good evening. Respected Chancellor Ma'am, BBD University and Chairperson BBD Group, Srimati Alka Das Gupta ji, Chief Executive Director BBD Group, Shri R.K. Agarwal ji, Vice President BBD Group and Director ADG School, Srimati Devanshi Das ji, Vice President BBD Group, Sonakshi Das ji, Vice Chancellor BBD University, Dr. Srivastav ji, Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Sharma ji, Registrar Dr. Sudharma Singh ji, Rizvi ji, esteemed guests, our respected faculty and staff members, members of the BBD family, participants from all the universities and institutes across India, and our strength, the heartbeat of our institution, our dear students. It gives me immense pride and joy to stand before you today as we conclude Utkarsh 2026. Over the past few days, our campus has not just hosted events. We have witnessed passion, talent, dedication, creativity, and the unstoppable energy of you, the students. Utkarsh, once again, has proven that BBD University is not just an academic institution. It is a vibrant ecosystem of excellence. First and foremost, I want to applaud every single student who participated in the Utkarsh 2026, be it as a participant, as an organizer, or just here to cheer our friends. And again, I would like to applaud the beautiful performances we saw here today, whether it was the Ganesh Vandana or even the dance, beautiful dance we saw after that. Winning is a special prize, but having the courage to step forward, to compete, to perform, and to express yourself, that is even more special. Today, I do not see a festival coming to an end. I see talent discovered, confidence built, friendship strengthened, and dreams ignited. This year's theme, Virasat se Vikas Tak, has not just been a slogan, it has been an experience. India is a civilization that gave the world yoga, the science of harmony. Zero, the foundation of modern mathematics. And visionaries like Aryabhatta or Chanakya, and many more. From Veds to space missions, from Nalanda to Chandrayaan, from ancient wisdom to artificial intelligence, India has always shown the world that development rooted in heritage is unstoppable. And as a beautiful thought says, विरासत की जड़ें जितनी गहरी होती हैं, विरासत की जड़ें जितनी गहरी होती हैं, विकास की उड़ान उतनी ही ऊंची होती है. This is exactly what we believe at BBD. My father and our late founder, Dr. Akhilesh Das Gupta ji, believed that education transforms not just individuals, but entire generations. He believed that youth, when empowered with knowledge and character, can transform a nation. He did not just establish a university, he established opportunity. He established belief. And since our inception in 1997, this institution has grown with strength, stability, and vision. Today, when I see more than 25 students studying here in our campus and more than 1.5 lakh alumni making their mark across industries, governance, and entrepreneurship, I feel that his dream continues to grow every single day. His legacy was never built on buildings or campuses. It was about building people and a family. I had the privilege of witnessing some innovative projects in the Tech Fest the other day. And I must say, the inventive and entrepreneurial spirit of the students was very exciting. I visited the food court, and I saw a stall by our hotel management students. I saw some stalls by our current students. I saw some stalls by our ex-alumni. This is what we aim to create at BBD, an atmosphere, an environment where we all work together, showcasing our talents, supporting each other. For this very purpose, we have created an incubation center here at BBD, and I'm sure in the times to come, we will see many more young entrepreneurs and change makers from our institute. We are creating a world of opportunities and creativity at BBD. Today, our alumni portal, which I believe is one of the most advanced alumni portals in the whole country, has been developed in-house by our IT team, which is being led by my sister Sonakshi Das. Our ERP system is also being developed, and it is one of the most exhaustive ERP systems, having every portal imaginable, whether it is transportation, library, accounts, academics, everything for our students. That is also being developed here in-house by BBD EdTech. Our website, a new website is, some short time, we are going to see a new website of BBD University. That is also being developed by our BBD EdTech. I see our students working tirelessly with our faculty and coordinators for events like Utkarsh, for events like Khelo India, for events like Miss India Uttar Pradesh, and for a mega event like Convocation 2026, where we saw the Honorable Chief Minister coming to our campus, gracing us, blessing us, and he was very pleased with each and every student here and each and every faculty here for the work they did. So I must congratulate you all. Our architecture students here today are leading all the infrastructure development in the campus and getting a hands-on experience. We all know that this year we have started the agriculture course. And for that agriculture course, the whole campus is being developed in-house by our architecture team. So we must give them a huge round of applause. I see our students interning at Viraj Constructions Private Limited. I see our students interning at Fortune Park, at Hotel Sagar Sona, at our newspaper Voice of Lucknow, and our school, ADG school. Couple of our alumni are today professors with us here in this university, and also some teachers are teaching at ADG school. 4 of our professors are now deans and directors of our own schools: the architecture school, the hotel management school, the engineering school, and the MBA school. This is the vision with which my founder and our late founder, Akhilesh Das Gupta ji, created BBD. He wanted an ecosystem where we all support each other, where we all are one, where we are not just students, faculty, or alumni, where we are one family, where we are one legacy, where we can proudly say we are BBDians. So please say it with me, proudly and loudly, that we are proud to be BBDians, that we are proud to be, we are proud to be, we are proud to be. Thank you. Now I would like to take this moment to thank a very strong lady, the force behind BBD institutions, my mother and our chairperson and our chancellor, Alka Das Gupta ji. Nine years back in 2017, my father and our founder left us. I was 24 and my sister was 19. मेरी माँ सिर्फ मेरी माँ बनकर नहीं, मुझे और मेरी बहन को तो संभाला ही उनने, पर उनने इस पूरे बीबीडी परिवार की माँ बनकर, इस पूरे बीबीडी परिवार की शक्ति बनकर हम सबके पीछे वो खड़ी रही। और आज उनकी मेहनत है, उनका योगदान है, उनकी सपोर्ट है कि आज बीबीडी का सपना पूरे देश में भर रहा है, पूरे विदेश में, पूरे दुनिया में हमारे बच्चे इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं और हमारे देश का नाम और प्रदेश का नाम, अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन का नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मम्मा, एंड बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारी चेयरपर्सन। थैंक यू सो मच। और ये आप सबका प्यार है कि आप उनके लिए अभी जो ये तालियां बजी है, आप सबका प्यार, आप सबकी जो एक इज्जत आप मम्मा के लिए करते हैं, एक प्यार उनके लिए करते हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद उसके लिए। I would also like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude towards our faculty and staff. You are our true strength. It is your hard work that has made our founders Alka Das and Akhilesh Das's dream come true. It is your dedication which is growing the vision of BBD. जिस तरह आप यहाँ पर हर एक बच्चे को अपना परिवार समझते हैं, जिस तरह आप इस संस्था को अपना घर समझते हैं, जिस तरह आप अपना पूरा योगदान देते हैं, मैं एक बार यहाँ पर सारे स्टूडेंट से चाहूंगा कि आप तहे दिल से अपने फैकल्टी का शुक्रगुजार करें और उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं। अगर माँ बाप के अलावा कोई होता है जो अपने बच्चों की सफलता से, उनकी तरक्की से, उनकी ग्रोथ से खुश होता है, तो वो उनकी फैकल्टी है, उनके गुरु हैं। और मैं इस बात का मुझे पूरा यकीन है और पूरा विश्वास है कि बीबीडी की हर एक फैकल्टी अपने हर एक स्टूडेंट के साथ हमेशा खड़ी रहती है, उसको मोटिवेट करती रहती है और उसकी हर परेशानी का समाधान ढूंढने के लिए मेहनत करती रहती। तो एक बार मैं अपनी सारी फैकल्टी और स्टाफ मेंबर्स का बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार करना चाहूंगा। धन्यवाद। As we conclude, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the organizing committee, faculty, coordinators, volunteers, sponsors, and to all the participants and every individual who worked tirelessly to make Utkarsh 2026 a huge success. In the end, I would like to say, my father built an institution, our faculty strengthened it, our alumni expanded it, but it is you, the students, who will define its next chapter. So make it bold, make it brilliant, make it unforgettable. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much.